Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Start by choosing the correct charger and cable for your Android device. Use the original charger when possible, or a USB power delivery charger rated 18W or higher. Choose a USB-C cable certified for 3.0A or higher to reduce resistance and heat. Plug the charger into a wall outlet instead of a computer USB port for full power delivery. Avoid cheap or frayed cables because they lower current and slow charging. Inspect ports for lint and clean gently with a dry tool. Adjust settings to minimize power draw during charging for faster top-up. Enable airplane mode to reduce cellular and Wi-Fi activity and cut background syncing. Turn off the screen and manually disable apps that use GPS, Bluetooth, or mobile data. Close high-power apps such as games, navigation, and video streaming before you plug in. If available, enable the device's battery saver or optimize charging mode for controlled fast charging. Avoid using the device while charging to reduce heat and preserve charging speed. For faster sessions, use chargers that support USB power delivery or Qualcomm Quick Charge when compatible. Check device specs for the maximum supported wattage and never exceed recommended input. Keep the phone cool, because battery temperature between 15 degrees C and 35 degrees C maintains high charging speed. Remove bulky cases while charging to improve heat dissipation. Prefer charging from roughly 20% up to 80% when you need speed, because this reduces overall charge time and limits battery stress. Always prioritize certified chargers to avoid damage and fire risk.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.